This video shows you how to install Ring Spotlight Solar Panel. This solar panel is designed for use with the Spotlight Cam Solar and Spotlight Cam battery. If you have a Ring stick-up cam instead, note that it needs a different solar panel. For instructions on installing Ring Solar Panel for stick-up cam, see this video. If you're upgrading from a stick-up cam and want to use your original Ring solar panel with Spotlight Cam, you can get an adapter at ring.com/accessories. First, choose an install location near your Spotlight Cam that gets good sun exposure. The solar panel can keep Spotlight Cam charged with just a few hours of direct sunlight per day. Using the solar panel mounting arm as a template, mark the screw holes on your wall with a pencil. If you're installing on a hard surface, such as brick or stucco, use the included drill bit to pre-drill the two mounting holes. Then insert the included wall anchors into the holes. They should simply push in, but you can hammer them in if necessary. If you're installing on a softer surface, like wood, you can skip this step. Next, secure the mounting arm to the wall with the included screws. Tighten until snug. Then slide the solar panel onto the mounting arm. Make sure it's seated securely. If you'd like to adjust the angle of the solar panel for better sun coverage, loosen the adjustment screw on the mounting arm, set your desired angle, then retighten the screw. Once the solar panel is installed, press the button on the bottom of your Spotlight Cam to open the battery compartment. Next, press the button on the back of Spotlight Cam and slide the mounting plate out of its slot. On the mounting plate, pop this rubber weatherproofing plug out of its hole. Then slide the mounting plate back into its slot on the back of Spotlight Cam until it clicks into place. Note that the mounting plate can be inserted in either direction. Orient the ball toward the top of Spotlight Cam if you're installing on a ceiling or eave. Once that's done, plug the charging cable from your solar panel into the power connector on Spotlight Cam. Note that the hole in the center of the mounting plate is for the security screw. The charging port is just below that. Line up the screw holes, then secure the plug with the included screws. Be sure not to skip this step, as it keeps your Spotlight Cam connection solid and watertight. Finally, insert Spotlight Cam into its mounting bracket, set the desired angle, then tighten the adjustment screw. Make sure to charge and insert the included battery into your Spotlight Cam. Ring Solar Panel keeps your battery charged, but it does not replace it. We hope this video has helped you to install your Ring solar panel. For more help, visit ring.com. With Ring, you're always home.